Okay, shh.
No, she doesn't.
All right.
Turn the camera off.
It's off. I turned it off.
This is a personal matter.
I turned it off. See?
Mommy,
I didn't
where's
mean to do
the
that. I meant to like.
Olivia, not Mom. Olivia, not Mom.
I'm scared.
How?
What?
She's not strong with that.
The second we started, I was like, no. I'm your mother.
Go again.
It was your mother's strength.
It was her face. She was like,
Wait, go again. Go again, one more time.
I really have to win.
Wait, I want to go against you, Mom.
no, I want to make sure it's not a fluke.
Mom, I want to go against Mom.
I'm watching your Korean god to this.
The
kids are really strong.
You're strong. Susie, you're really weak. Mom,
I'm trying it. I'm extra weak and you're extra strong.
Watch out.
This is so hard.
It's harder than I thought. Mom's
Creepy?
stronger.
Cody's using, or Lincoln's using my butt as a slide.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Hey, don't lift your arm.
Linky, good heavens.
Wait, Dad, is it over the top?
Olivia won.
Dad,
Did you win, Olivia? Oh, heavens.
wait, Dad, is it over the top? Is better, Dad?
Lincoln, Roy.
Better over the.
Cancer is a big, huge, scary word, but I'll tell you, I went into the doctor and he looked at a spot on my lip and he said, yeah, this looks like cancer, skin cancer. And Boston was like, is it gonna spread? Is it gonna, there's certain cancers, they'll spread all through your body really quick. He wanted to know if it was as bad as grandma's cancer, and no, it is not near. Grandma's has spread in her body. This kind of cancer doesn't spread. It's the same kind that my dad had. Do you guys remember when your grandpa Griffiths had skin cancer? They cut it out, they removed it, and then he didn't have it anymore. So they just shaved a little piece off and they sent it in for testing to make sure 100% that it is what they think it is, which is called basal cell carcinoma. And they're gonna see if it's really bad. They're gonna see if it's actually cancer. If it isn't cancer, then great. We'll just go about our day and it'll be fine. If it is, they have to go back in and cut more out, put a few little stitches in, and then it'll be gone.
How
So-
long will it take for your lip to go back?
Probably tomorrow. I bet tomorrow my lip won't be swollen anymore.
Okay. How long, if you do have cancer and they cut open and you definitely put stitches, how long will it go back to normal?
Probably maybe like a week or two.
So kind of like.
But if they cut it out, the moment they're done cutting it out, if it's gone, it's gone.
Yeah, if it's gone, it's gone. So I don't want to say, oh, it's not a big deal, because it's a big deal and you have to take care of it. But it's not like
Really.
it's not like grandma's cancer or Aunt Sonia's cancer.
Wait,
or
Sonia?
you don't really remember Aunt Sonia.
I don't think I've ever seen her. Have I?
Yeah, you have, but you were a little baby.
I
Little.
remember her, but I
No, he may not
I don't think
because
he was around.
he wasn't. He wasn't. No, Lincoln wasn't
That's
around.
a really weird thing.
No, Mom, he was.
I was.
Mom, he was because I saw one of our videos and Sonia was sitting back there and there was
Oh,
a pool.
you were a baby.
Baby.
You were a
And we had our
baby.
pool. There was a pool out there? No, you know,
It was a
Grandma's
little toy pool.
Oh, the little.
Ellie's little pool that's here.
Oh, the inflatable ones?
Mm-hmm.
Aunt Sonia is my mom's baby sister, and she
Was it-
died from cancer.
Was it the pool that's right by the white trailer out there?
That's it.
And Aunt Sonia lived here, and my mom took care of her.
And
For a
did
long
she
time.
shave her head?
And my mom shaved her head
To look like
when my Aunt Sonia lost her hair from cancer. So, cancer is a big, scary word. This is not big and scary. This is just little, and we'll take care of it.
Is it gonna spread if it is cancer?
Nope, not this kind. This kind doesn't spread. That's what the doctor told me.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I didn't know there was kinds that spread and kinds that didn't.
Good heavens.
Okay, sorry.
Well, that's appropriate. Inappropriate, I might add.
Well, you know.
So did he do a check anywhere else?
No, because I don't need it. I
you
just
sure?
had one in May,
Okay. I need to go get this removed too. We need to go.
Yes, you have this little thing that's growing under his mustache.
Dad
Guys,
has
cancer? No, honey, no. It's
No.
a scary. I mean, that's scary. And
Dad
the thing
grows
is,
funny little bumps, and they're nothing. They're just
you gotta keep your skin taken care of.
skin's a whole different ball game nowadays.
Hey, I have a question. How? Okay, thank you, Grandpa, for taking the kids longer than expected because I was able to come home and take a little nap, which was needed.
Also, Grandpa
How-
wants you to text him so he knows Biopsy.
Oh, perfect. I will.
Okay.
Tell me how Grandpa's was.
Oh, it was I forgot to put a pull-up on, but I kept my underwear dry.
Stop!
It's a Christmas break miracle.
Let's do that every night. Okay, everyone has to get in the shower because you smell like wet socks.
Yep.
Boys, go get in the shower.
Was it snowing when you guys made it down to Grandpa's?
Yesterday, yeah.
It started snowing when we were halfway there. I'm like, guys, let's go.
And Lady was just fine. Did you yike it?
Lady's like,
Did she?
stick her tongue out.
Did
I
you
saw her.
put her in your backpack again?
Yeah, but I didn't know how Dad did it, so I put it in front of me and I held her.
Oh, that works. That's a good
Aw,
idea
that's
too.
cute.
That's really cute. All right,
Okay.
you stink. Let's go.
All right, everyone get in the shower. Well, I thought I would wake up and my lip would be just back to normal. I'm not sure why it's still so swollen. Is it cancer? Is it lip filler? I guess we'll never know. Well, when the test results get back, we'll know. We came out to the property to get these trusses. This is the last set of trusses, and the guy has bald tires, and so he cannot make it down our driveway. So we're gonna go down. By we, I mean Joel. Joel's gonna grab his tractor, and we're going to manually move those down. What are they?
I think there are bedroom trusses.
Really?
Maybe the bathroom. I'm not sure.
Either way, I'm thrilled.
Mhm.
Well, they're supposed to be sprinklering ice melt on the road. They're just being a little chaotic. Are they doing what you want them to do?
Yeah, but they're gonna need to do a few laps because their method stinks.
Well, that's what I'm wondering. Do you want to get out and show them how you want them to do this? Or,
No, that's all right.
I mean, is that even helping what they're doing?
Oh, yeah, they're getting it. It's just they're doing good. Okay, go to the. Chuck it so that, like, you can see it. I want to see little dots from one side of the road to the other. So go slower. Don't just, you know what I mean? Go a little ways, cover it, then go further. Cover it, then go further. Okay. Okay.
We just spent hours at the property picking up. What did we pick up? Oh, don't put snow. We picked up all sorts of wood, wire, scraps. Basically, we were cleaning up garbage at the property. Everybody, bring me your cold, wet gloves. I'm gonna show you my new toy. I'm gonna slip these on right here.
Stop it!
Slip this on right here while my kids are fighting in the background. Ooh, it goes better in your thumb hole. All right, we've got wet snow pants.
And this is really wet.
Are they really, really wet gloves? Let's hang our boots up. Oh my word, I am so excited to try this.
Stop it!
I have been researching what I can do with all of my kids' snow gear because do you see all of these? All of these that are confined to such a small area now, this would be scattered across my entire house. And I thought when I move into my new place, what can I do with all of my wet snow gear? Because I want the kids to be able to play freely outside. Look at this dryer. Ding! And then it's going to blow warmer air into everything and dry it. I am beyond excited to put this in our new place. This is from Direct Dryers. They have so many different options and I thought this was a really great one for us, and it is, but you know, I just need extra. I'm a little extra and I think I'm gonna want the bigger one.
So there's two modes: ambient air and then
okay.
heated air, which it'll heat a little bit.
And which
then
one's heated? What one did I have it on?
Up is heated.
Okay.
Down is ambient.
Oh, Joel.
And then it came with a timer switch that we need to put on.
Really? I knew you would be able to explain it better than I could. I literally am thrilled. I could not be happier with this purchase, and I swear I just want the bigger one now.
Yeah, I know.
I'm selfish. I'm sorry.
They're dry.
Okay, I'm going to put a link in the description below for this because I feel like this could change so many people's, winter organization.
Drying, and it gets those so that the boots aren't just soggy, smelly. It gets them vented out, I feel like.
That's what I wanted. I wanted a boot dryer, and that's how we found this, is because we were Googling boot dryers, and then we came across this bad boy, and it dries literally everything. The frustration that I have with all of the kids' stinky, wet winter gear all over my floor, I literally didn't care. I was just like, I have to have something that's going to keep things off of the floor.
The garage, mudroom, it's fantastic.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So that will be in the description below for everyone.